Hello, I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video, I'm going to go over the formula pattern scale in the key of F major. So we will cover 2 octaves and 4 octaves, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review the notes of an F major scale. So Do is F, Re, G, Mi, A, Fa, B flat, So, C, La, D, T, E, and Do. And the fingering for this scale has alternate fingering in the right hand. We're going to cross under 4, then under 3, and then under 4. Left hand has standard fingering, so first crosses with 3, and then with 4. So there's a couple things to consider when playing these formula pattern scales. And the first is, are your hands playing in parallel motion, like this, same notes, same direction at the same time, so either up or down? Or are they playing in contrary motion, which means one hand is going up the scale and one hand is going down the scale, so opposite directions. Black keys don't happen at the same time in general in the contrary motion scales. So once we've determined we're doing parallel or contrary, take a look at the chart up above, and then this organizes the formula pattern for you. So just think about it in segments. Our first segment is the parallel lines up. So we're going to move up, then we'll go out and in, 1 octave, then up and down, 1 octave, out and in, and then finally back down. So we're going to lock in all of those segments and finger switches with a series of short and long rhythms in the scales. So we'll put pinky on Do, thumb on Do. It's going to be like this. So first segment is a parallel segment, and it is up. Right hand cross under 4. Now right hand's going to continue on up, and we're going to do contrary motion out. Okay, now switch. Right hand down the scale, left hand up the scale. Now parallel up. Left hand's going to continue up. Right hand switches direction. Hands moving at the same time, same notes. Down. Now left hand continues down, right hand switches direction, out and in, contrary, in. Now right hand continues down, left hand turns around, parallel motion, down to the bottom. Now we'll do that without the dotted rhythm. Up. Now out. Left hand switches direction. Both hands switch direction, in. Now right hand switches direction, left hand comes up. Parallel. And down. Right hand switches direction, out. Contrary. So if you take a look at the chart above, you'll see the only thing that changes when we switch from 2 octave formula pattern scales to 4 is the length of the segment. So we were doing 2 octaves. Our segment up, out, in was just 1 octave. Now you're going to start lower on the piano. Hands will still be 1 octave apart, but we'll move up 2 octaves. 2 octaves. So let's do that. Remember, right hand crosses under 4. First segment, 2 octaves up, parallel. Now contrary, left hand switches direction and in. Parallel, right hand switch and down, parallel. watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of F major. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.